This is how to create a logo for the Patmark in the Patmark software. So first you need your artwork. We have a PNG file. The software will only read BMP or JPEG files, so it's important that you have the correct file type to start. To change it, we're just going to open Paint. Open the file, save as, and then here you just want to select either a BMP file or a JPEG file. I'd run with the JPEG. Save. So now we have our JPEG version. In the software, go to logo editor. The first step is to browse for the image up here. So we click browse. Navigate to the correct folder where your file is, select the file, open. These settings will move it up and down, and these will change the ratio, the scaling on the X or the Y axis. So you can reduce that, increase that. Click done when you're happy. Then we need to create our points. So we have points, groups of points, and then the preview. This is the editing window. Click add. Just click around. Then when you've created a group, if you click on the points, you have the key points, and then you have the automatically generated points. So these will be little points in between. You can click on them and drag them out to create curves. See our preview. Click add. Click on the point list. Same deal. Go through. So adjust the points into where you need them. Or okay, so that's that done. Create the letters. Okay, so obviously it looks a bit average. Click on the point lists, and then we can move these. Now, if we need to get really straight lines, we can see point number 9 is highlighted here, and then if we click on that, point number 7. So that's X and the Y. So we want the Y to be the same. And click again. So when you do this properly, you want to make sure that these are all the same height and nice and square. When you're happy with the logo, click save. Bring up a little box here, click on logo, select the logo slot that you'd like to save it under, click done. It's going to ask you to save the file, click yes. Then it's going to ask you to store the file in the Patmark controller. You need the Patmark connected to the PC when you're doing this. I don't have it, but you need to load the file into the Patmark before you use the Patmark to mark it. So you'll have to do this at some point, otherwise it will come back with an error. So right now I'm going to press cancel because I don't have a Patmark connected. But If you do, click yes. Done. Then we go to field and we select logo and just select the logo. We can resize it in here. That's how to make a logo.